Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making vegan, In-N-Out inspired animal style fries that are under 500 calories per serving. I'm starting by cutting up Yukon Gold potatoes and cutting them into fry-like shapes. And I'm just laying them out on a baking sheet. I'm actually using a silicone baking mat, which these things are awesome. So I'm putting them in the oven, as you can see, at 450 degrees and just sprinkling them with a little bit of garlic salt. And I didn't show this, but I did spray them with some cooking spray. And I'm putting them in for about 40 minutes. I ended up cooking them for probably closer to 30, so just keep an eye on them. Now I'm starting on the caramelized onions. I'm just slicing probably about a quarter of a yellow sweet onion and putting them in a pan with about 2.5 tablespoons of whatever butter you choose. I used Country Crock. It's like a vegan butter. Now I'm starting on the spread. So technically you're supposed to use relish, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just used 2 sandwich sliced dill pickles and just sliced them up. And now I'm measuring out some Hellmann's vegan mayo, ketchup, a little bit of mustard, and just a little bit of vinegar, and stirring that all together. And I did add a little bit of garlic salt. So the caramelized onions had been pretty much cooking the entire time the fries were in the oven, and now everything is all set, so I'm just going to assemble. I'm putting my fries in a bowl, and I'm going to use this vegan cheese. It's by the brand Chao. It is absolutely amazing, and I had already cut this slice in half, so you'll use 1 slice per serving. And I'm actually microwaving it for just about 30 seconds. You want to keep an eye on it. Everybody's microwave is a little bit different. Just enough to melt it. And then I'm putting my spread on top and my caramelized onions. And just like that, it is done. It is absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys try it out. Let me know what you guys think in a comment below.